This eLearning, we're going to show you how to set up easy mask for phone numbers. So you don't have to reformat and let WO6 option format the phone number automatically for you. I'm going to add the phone number to this customer. I just select any customer here. I'm going to go to add a new phone number. And before I do that, I'm just making sure that you see where I am. I am at the phone numbers tab, and I'm going to add a new phone number. The description here, I'm going to use, it's whatever you want. I'm going to just put main. The focus for this eLearning is going to be this position here, the mask. As you can see, it is already prepared for the phone number. So if I'm here and I just tab over, and I hit home, I start the beginning. So I just start typing whatever it is, you know, for example, 940-888-1212, and the program automatically sets up that format for you. That doesn't come out of the box, but I'm going to show you how to do that. For you to make that happen, basically what you've got to do is to create a new mask and put a list of possible masks. I already have some masks here. Well, let's say, for example, again, I'm clicking on masks and it pops up the show dialog box where I have the different masks that I can play with. And the way for you to create a mask, you just click on the plus, you give it a description. I'm gonna call here my sample, and to enter the mask here you will find the possible characters to create the mask. So you can say open parentheses, and then I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. I'm going to close parentheses. I'm going to give a space. I'm going to put 2 numbers, a dash, 3 numbers, another dash, and 4 numbers. This was a weird mask just to make my example. I already created one for the United States, but this is how you do a mask. As soon as I save my sample mask, it's here in the list. So I'm going to close this. So look what happens if I use my sample mask. There it is. It's missing. It automatically is that. And you can set a mask as a default or not. So when you change the mask, the program automatically sets the phone for that mask. So if I was, for example, Brazil, I'm missing some numbers, but it gives me the chance to set it up accordingly. So I'm going to go back to US. If the mask is no longer needed, you just highlight the mask and you delete that mask, and the mask is now gone. So use the mask, apply the mask, set as default, and it will automatically shape the phone number. From there you just save and it looks nicer and easy to read on the screen. So today you've learned how to use phone number masks for customer files in WO6 option. Thanks for watching.